Previously, we built this list comprehension, which iterates over this list and divides by 10 each item of that list, and it ignores only if temp is different than minus 9999. So what happens if temp is equal to that number? Well, the loop, the list comprehension, will ignore that value, as you saw in the output. So that was the output. So what if you want to put another value instead of that? Let's say you want to put a 0 instead of that negative number. In that case, if you think you can just do else here, 0, you try this out, you would be wrong, because that will produce a syntax error. When you have an if-else inside the list comprehension, the order of the components is a bit different. You have to get the for temp in temps, so the loop has to be after the conditional, just like that. If you execute that, you're going to get the expected result. So you see the 0 there instead of minus 9999. So the list comprehension this time goes like this. Give me temp divided by 10 only if temp is different than this number, else give me 0 for temp in temps. So always remember that if you have to do an if-else inside the list comprehension, the for loop goes at the very end, like that.